In Uganda, our ecosystem is being destroyed at a very fast rate.
You visit areas with beautiful lush tropical rainforests, and then you go back a year later, 2 years later, and it's all gone. Now when you don't have trees, you start to receive less rainfall, the soils are drier, then you have less harvest, and then people are poorer. It's just a problem that keeps on trickling down and down. As I started to read about bamboo, I became obsessed. There's so much you can do with bamboo.
It had been looked at as grass that is almost of no value. We've since realized that bamboo could be part of the solution.
You can use it as fuel, you can use it to make some simple furniture. Your animals can eat the leaves, for example, the cows and the goats.
But our farmers were reluctant to sit that way.
So changing their mindset to begin growing bamboo, that has been the challenge.
Now, with awareness, it makes sense to them.
I see money in bamboo. I see money.